Hello again. So just no need to introduce much about NSP. I think NSP antibody tests are used for detecting infection both in unvaccinated as well as vaccinated population. So in 2006, with a European validation, we have shown that current at the time the current PRIOCHECK test detect with like a carrier animals or the infected animals with a maximum 90% sensitivity with a specificity of 98 to 99%. And also we suggested in the publication, if you use a second test, then you can increase the sensitivity and the specificity up to 99% or more. So from that time, we are searching another test or more test which can help to PRIOCHECK to increase the sensitivity and the specificity. And like last EuFMD meeting, I showed a good news that we got a equal sensitivity and the specificity test, and I promised I will give you more analysis, which I am going to show you. And in between, I have validated a minimum 12 commercial tests starting from Canada to USA and also from South Korea, and which we have not seen such a test which is equivalent to PRIOCHECK. So this is the second test we got which is equivalent to PRIOCHECK. So to validate the test is a huge panel I am putting here. And this is from carrier animals and vaccinated infected carrier, vaccinated infected recovered animals, and also again we have divided into different situation in the field situation like contact challenge animals, needle challenge animals, and then we have taken like 1000 Neisseria from Italy, and also clinically non-infected samples like 159 from Turkey. So with this, our Antonello, he is very good to do this rock cover analysis, and you can see the rock cover analysis shows like in unvaccinated animals already you can get 100% sensitivity and specificity. Whereas as we saw earlier, you can see it has been reduced for the vaccinated animals here, vaccinated recovered animals or vaccinated carrier animals. This has been reduced. And as you know, the panel we have developed in 2007, and that panel has been detected minimum 91%. One thing I have not said you here, we got another advantage of IDVET here is two tests. We got one is short incubation and another one is a long incubation. And long incubation is equivalent to same as a PRIOCHECK overnight incubation, and short incubation is for 2 hours incubation. So as you can see here, so we got very high sensitivity for the panel for both the assays and equivalent to PRIOCHECK it is here. And here also in the field sample, we got very high sensitivity like 100%, and whereas for the short incubation 97%, which is almost equal to PRIOCHECK test. Then if you will see the question, how much concordance we got between the PRIOCHECK test and this short incubation and long incubation of IDVET test, I have showed here. This is a percentage of positivity, which is the concordance, and we see the negative percentage of agreement, which is for the negative sample concordance. Negative sample concordance is very high, whereas PRIOCHECK, this positive concordance is high, but still some animals there which are positive in IDVET test, there are few animals are not positive in PRIOCHECK. The other way around is also true. So then the thing we are trying, just this is my last slide. Then the thing very important to us is joining the test whether we can improve the sensitivity and the specificity. And as it is very clear, and it is well known, if you take the serial testing like in the left hand panel, you can increase the specificity to 100%, and which you need in a hard level detection. So you don't want to kill 1000 animals unnecessarily. So then you can follow the left hand panel. But if you want to increase the sensitivity, and then you should see here, so sensitivity is very high doing the parallel testing. So you can take that one. But the question is whether you will do the parallel testing, then whether specificity will go down. It will go down if your test is not equivalent to the first test, screening test. So if you are having both the very robust test, then you can see both sensitivity and specificity are very high here, which I am showing for the panel as well as for the field tests. So it is a good message for particularly for you and particularly for DEFRA, which is interested from UK government, that now we are having 2 tests, and in a outbreak situation we can choose our test. So that is the opportunity now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Satya. And we have to move on to the next